How to book hotels in Trivago. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily book hotels in Trivago. Now on Trivago, basically you can compare hotel prices and surveys, and you can find cheap hotels and compare them, and it is easy to book as well through it. You want to simply open up a Trivago application. Now here what you want to do is you can search in for your destination here, and you can search in. Now I'll just search in for destination here, London, and I'll select the particular date and apply your date. And once you do so, you want to simply filter it, and you can say it's searching. Now you'll get the deals here right here, and you want to select the deals that is most favorable for you. I'll just select this view deal, and you want to simply tap on view deal option, and once you tap on view deal, it will take you to the browser, or it will load you up to the booking.com, where you'll be able to book the hotel. So you want to be able to book it directly from Trivago. Instead, you'll be able to search it on Trivago, and then it'll redirect you to your booking. And once there, you can see it has redirected me to booking.com. You want to simply tap on it, and you'll be able to see your options. You want to simply tap on select rooms option, and then you want to choose your stay and choose your accommodation services, and then simply tap on reserve option, and then you'll have to select your stay, and then simply continue and go ahead and book. So this way you can book through Trivago. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.